Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. My name is Fikri, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this problem. Access to XML HTTP requests at localhost JS. The name of the database from origin, which is this for an N, has been blocked by CORS policy. What is CORS policy? It means cross origin site. No access control allow origin. Header is present on the requested resource. The reason why this happened is because you guys forgot to add a header. Let me show you. So this is the header that you guys supposed to add. If I save, like remove the comment here, access control allow origin localhost. Let me zoom it up, magnifier, so you guys can see it. There we go. As you guys can see, you guys need to add this access control allow origin double dot. And this, what is this? This is the URL of your front end. This way, when you guys submit it one more time, let me save this. Okay, it's already saved. Let me restart it. There we go. Now it should work. Submit. Network error has been blocked. The value header in the response is which must be true. Must exclude credential. Okay, so the another error will show up which says has been blocked by CORS policy. Header in the response is which must be true when the request mode is include. The credential mode of request is controlled by which. That means you need to add this one more. Allow credentials true. Why? So we can add cookie. As you can see, there's cookie here. Without giving allow control allow credentials, this database doesn't know which client that send the API request or the API response. This way, let's do it one more time. Let's save it, stop and restart. Let's start it one more time. Running. There we go. Go back, restart, admin. The password is cogito ergo sum. I think therefore I exist. Submit. Success. Login successful. There we go. If I give a wrong password, cogito ergo su, error login, is because password. This is the MD5, the encrypted password of cogito ergo sum, or I think therefore I exist. The reason why it returned error because it's echo error, which response error, and in here, if the response from Axios API handler is error, it will say error login. That's why. So that's how you guys fix CORS block policy problem. Okay guys, thank you for watching my tutorial on how to fix cross origin site block or CORS policy block. I fixed the problem. Turns out you guys just need to add a header and allow credentials true, so the PHP database on the other side can accept API from the front end side. Because it's different side, therefore it's blocked. If this video reach I say 1000 views, I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to make a front end plus back end website. So the front end gonna be a React JavaScript and the back end gonna be a PHP, and it's gonna be, I'm gonna teach how to host both of these sites, how to connect it with PHP with API, and I will upload it on YouTube. So if this video reach 1000 like, I'm gonna make a full tutorial on how to make a full stack website. See you guys on the next video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.